Hello, it is Monday, April 20th, and I just got home from school, and Rocco's really happy to see me, as you can see. Oh, hi, Rox. So, I just got home from school, and I'm really hungry, so I don't know what to do. Maybe I should eat. That'll fix my problem. So, oh my goodness. So I'll show you what I'm wearing today. So my hair's still straight from the other day. It's a little wavy, but it's still straight. And then I'm wearing some eyeshadow. I just used my Naked 2 Basics. And then I used the Kat Von D eyeliner. And I'm just wearing chapstick. And then I'm wearing my t-shirt dress. That is from Brandy Melville that I got yesterday. As you can see, t-shirt dress. And then I'm wearing my Doc Martens because my sister took my Converse. So I'm wearing my Doc Martens. And I'm really hungry. Yes, taking the pup for a walk. And there's a lot of construction going on. Come on, Max. Hello, boy. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. My hair right now, it looks so funny. Like, what is it even doing? I look like a lion. And see what the stars is tonight. Are you gonna watch it? Are you gonna watch it? Yeah, Ross, you gonna watch Daisy with the stars? Just like, I don't care. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, Ross, you're cute. It is now 6 o'clock, and I am just editing my vlog from yesterday. Oh, I think I already edited it, maybe. So I'm just gonna watch it over to make sure it's okay, because I was editing it at like 11. So what did I do? So after I came home from walking my dog, I just ate some snacks because I was like super hungry for some reason. And then I just finished all my homework like 20 minutes ago. So I've just been editing and then doing the thumbnails for my vlogs. So I'm gonna finish editing these. And I think what is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a bird. There was something walking on the fence and I was really creeped out. Do you see that bird? It's like walking on the fence. Like, can't you fly? For dinner, we have pasta and meatballs. Oh, great manners, Alyssa. And then we have some bread, which is so good. Say hey.
What are you saying, honey?
I don't know what you said either. So, it is now 7:40. Yes. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. I was on now for like 15-20 minutes. And now I'm going to take a shower in a couple minutes. But before that, I just want to play with makeup because I haven't like touched any of my like makeup I haven't been using every single day. So I'm just going to play around with makeup and then I'm going to take a shower and see you guys in a bit. So I just did my makeup for fun without a mirror. And this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at this eyeball. I tried to do like a smoky eye. I didn't really pick the right colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is what happens without a mirror. I mean, it looks okay from like this far, but like up close it's like, So I'm about to take a shower. Excuse my chewing noises. I'm chewing my gum. And yeah, so it's like 8 o'clock I think. So right after I get out of the shower, I'm gonna watch some Dancing with the Stars, and I'm so excited to see who gets eliminated tonight but it better not be any of the people I like. So yeah. So it is now 10 o'clock. And I'm getting very tired, and I just finished watching Dancing with the Stars. Plus, I realized that I say "and" a lot, so I'm really sorry about that. I just realized that. I was watching all my vlogs and like editing them, and I realized to say "and," So I'm going to try not to say it a lot. It might not work because I use it quite often. So I'm going to put on my chapstick and go to sleep and maybe watch some Netflix. Yeah, because it wasn't working the other day because we didn't pay for it. But now it's working because we put the payment and now it is working again. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.